What if some of the most important foods for healthy aging have been sitting in grocery stores your entire life, and you've been walking right past them? Most people assume that feeling older is simply a matter of time. Less energy, slower recovery, stiffer joints, more brain fog. They believe these changes are unavoidable. But scientists are discovering something fascinating. Many of the systems that tend to decline with age, your circulation, digestion, immune defenses, cellular protection, and even parts of your brain, are influenced by compounds found in everyday foods. And surprisingly, some of the most powerful sources of those compounds aren't expensive supplements or exotic superfoods, they're fruits. Not because fruits can stop aging, nothing can do that, but because certain fruits contain unique combinations of antioxidants, polyphenols, fiber, vitamins, and plant compounds that may help your body adapt better as the years go by. One fruit on today's list contains compounds researchers are studying for healthy blood vessel aging. And the final fruit has been treasured for thousands of years and may be one of the most overlooked longevity foods in the modern diet. If you're interested in simple, science-backed ways to support your body naturally as you age, consider subscribing. Every week we explore foods, plants, and habits that can help you stay stronger, sharper, and more energized for years to come. Now let's begin with a fruit that does something remarkable for a part of the body many people completely ignore until it starts causing problems: the digestive system. Number 1. Kiwi. The fruit that wakes up your defenses. Most people don't think of kiwi as a powerful health food. It's often treated as a decorative fruit, something added to fruit salads for color or eaten occasionally when it's in season. But what if one of the most overlooked fruits in the grocery store is actually one of the most valuable as you get older? One of the biggest changes that happens with aging isn't visible in the mirror. It happens inside your cells. Your body becomes less efficient at handling oxidative stress, recovering from challenges, and maintaining the systems that keep you resilient. That's where kiwi becomes surprisingly interesting. Originally cultivated in China and later popularized in New Zealand, kiwi has long been appreciated as a nourishing food. But modern research has revealed that it contains an impressive combination of vitamin C, fiber, potassium, and antioxidant compounds that support multiple aspects of healthy aging. In fact, kiwi is exceptionally rich in vitamin C, a nutrient that helps support immune function and collagen production. That's important because collagen plays a major role in maintaining healthy skin, blood vessels, and connective tissues as we age. The fiber in kiwi may also help support digestive health and nourish beneficial gut bacteria. Scientists now know that the gut influences far more than digestion. It affects immunity, inflammation, and overall well-being. Adding kiwi to your routine couldn't be simpler. Eat 1 or 2 fresh kiwis with breakfast, blend them into a smoothie, or pair them with yogurt for a nutrient-rich snack. The lesson of kiwi is simple. Sometimes the foods that seem the most ordinary are quietly protecting the systems you depend on every day. And if you think that's impressive, the next fruit has been helping people support digestion for centuries, and its benefits may be even more important after 50. Number 2. Papaya. The gentle protector of digestion. As we get older, many people start paying more attention to what they eat. But few pay attention to something even more important: how well their body processes what they eat. You can have the healthiest diet in the world, but if digestion isn't working efficiently, your body may struggle to get the full benefit from those nutrients. That's one reason papaya deserves a place on this list. For centuries, people throughout Central and South America have valued papaya not just for its sweet flavor, but for the way it seems to support digestive comfort. Long before scientists studied it, traditional cultures recognized that this fruit had a unique relationship with the digestive system. Today, research helps explain why. Papaya contains papain, a natural enzyme that helps break down proteins during digestion. While it's not a cure-all, scientists have studied papain for its ability to support the digestive process and help the body handle meals more comfortably. Papaya is also rich in vitamin C, beta-carotene, and other antioxidant compounds that help protect cells from oxidative stress, one of the biological processes associated with aging. What's especially valuable is that digestion affects almost everything else. Better digestion can improve nutrient absorption. Better nutrient absorption can support energy production, recovery, and overall vitality. A simple way to enjoy papaya is with breakfast or as a light dessert after a meal. It pairs beautifully with yogurt, cottage cheese, or a handful of nuts, creating a balanced combination of protein, healthy fats, and nutrients. Papaya reminds us of an important truth. Healthy aging isn't only about what you eat, it's also about how effectively your body can use it. And now we're moving to a fruit that has fascinated scientists for years because of its remarkable connection to circulation, blood vessels, and healthy aging. The next one may be far more powerful than its appearance suggests. Number 3. Pomegranate. The fruit scientists keep studying. Some fruits are popular because they taste good. Others are popular because they're trendy. But pomegranate has captured attention for an entirely different reason. Scientists simply can't seem to stop studying it. For thousands of years, cultures throughout the Mediterranean and Middle East associated pomegranates with vitality, abundance, and long life. Ancient people didn't know about antioxidants or cellular health. They only knew this fruit was special. Modern research suggests they may have been onto something. Pomegranates contain powerful plant compounds called polyphenols, including punicalagins, which are among the most concentrated antioxidants found in commonly eaten fruits. These compounds have attracted scientific interest because of their potential role in protecting cells from oxidative stress and supporting healthy aging. One area that researchers find particularly interesting is circulation. As we age, blood vessels naturally experience wear and tear. Because circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, maintaining vascular health becomes increasingly important for energy, heart function, brain performance, and overall vitality. Scientists continue exploring how pomegranate compounds may help support healthy blood vessel function and influence pathways related to inflammation and cellular protection. The best part is that incorporating pomegranate into your routine is easy. Sprinkle the seeds over yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. You can also enjoy unsweetened pomegranate juice, though the whole seeds provide valuable fiber as well. Every pomegranate contains hundreds of ruby red seeds, and each one is packed with compounds that nature spent centuries perfecting. Sometimes the foods that look the most beautiful are also among the most powerful. And speaking of powerful, the next fruit has become one of the most studied foods for brain health. Researchers investigating memory, focus, and cognitive aging keep coming back to it, and the reason may surprise you. Number 4. Blueberries, the fruit your brain has been waiting for. As we get older, many of us worry less about wrinkles and more about something we can't see: our memory, staying focused, remembering names, learning new things, keeping the mind sharp. These abilities become increasingly valuable with age, which is why blueberries have attracted so much scientific attention. For centuries, wild blueberries were gathered and treasured by traditional cultures as a nutrient-rich food. Today, researchers know that these small berries contain high levels of anthocyanins, the compounds responsible for their deep blue color. These compounds do more than make blueberries beautiful. Scientists have studied anthocyanins for their potential role in supporting healthy brain aging, helping protect cells from oxidative stress, and supporting communication between brain cells. Because oxidative stress is associated with aging, foods rich in protective plant compounds have become an important area of research. What makes blueberries especially appealing is their simplicity. You don't need special recipes or expensive supplements. A small serving can easily become part of your daily routine. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or enjoy them on their own. Fresh or frozen, they remain one of the easiest fruits to incorporate into a longevity-focused lifestyle. The real power of blueberries isn't found in a single serving. It's found in consistency. Healthy aging is rarely the result of one dramatic decision. More often, it's the result of small choices repeated over years. And that's exactly what blueberries represent. A simple habit that may help support one of your most valuable assets, your brain. But the next fruit may be even more surprising. Most people don't even think of it as a fruit, yet it contains nutrients that help support cells throughout the body. And as you age, that becomes increasingly important. Number 5. Avocado, the fruit that feeds your cells. Most people think of avocado as a healthy source of fat. What many don't realize is that it may become even more valuable as we age. Over time, the body becomes less efficient at maintaining certain systems. Skin loses elasticity, recovery slows down, energy becomes less stable. At the same time, nutrient needs often increase. That's where avocado stands out. For thousands of years, civilizations in Central and South America valued avocado as a nourishing and sustaining food. Modern science has since revealed why. Avocados contain monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium, vitamin E, and plant compounds that support overall health. One of their most interesting benefits is their ability to help the body absorb fat-soluble nutrients from other foods. In simple terms, adding avocado to a meal can help your body make better use of some of the nutrients already on your plate. Researchers have also studied diets rich in healthy fats for their relationship with cardiovascular health, metabolic function, and inflammation management, areas that become increasingly important with age. Adding avocado to your routine is easy. Slice it onto salads, pair it with eggs, spread it on whole grain toast, or blend it into smoothies for extra creaminess and nutrition. Unlike foods that promise a quick boost, avocado works quietly. It provides steady nourishment, helping support the systems that keep you feeling strong and satisfied over time, because healthy aging isn't about chasing dramatic results. It's about consistently giving your body what it needs to function at its best. And now we're moving to one of the most overlooked fruits on this list. It rarely gets the attention it deserves, yet it's packed with protective compounds that researchers continue to study for healthy aging and cellular resilience. Number 6. Blackberries, the forgotten longevity fruit. When people talk about healthy berries, blueberries usually get all the attention. Meanwhile, blackberries quietly sit on the shelf, overlooked by most shoppers. That may be a mistake. For generations, blackberries were gathered in the wild and valued as a seasonal source of nourishment. Long before scientists analyzed their nutritional content, people recognized them as a food worth seeking out. Today, research shows that blackberries contain an impressive combination of fiber, vitamin C, anthocyanins, and polyphenols. These compounds have attracted attention because of their antioxidant properties and their potential role in helping the body manage oxidative stress. Why does that matter? Because oxidative stress is one of the natural processes associated with aging. Over time, it can place pressure on cells and tissues throughout the body. Foods rich in protective plant compounds may help support the body's natural defenses against that burden. Blackberries also provide valuable fiber, which supports digestive health and helps nourish beneficial gut bacteria. Scientists now understand that the gut plays an important role in many aspects of healthy aging, from immunity to metabolism. One of the best things about blackberries is how easy they are to use. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or simply enjoy a handful as a snack. Frozen blackberries are also a convenient and affordable option year-round. Blackberries remind us that not every powerful food becomes famous. Sometimes the most valuable choices are the ones hiding in plain sight. And now we've reached the final fruit on our list, a fruit that has been treasured for thousands of years, praised by ancient civilizations, and valued across generations. As you'll soon discover, it may become even more important as the body ages. Number 7. Figs, the ancient fruit that becomes more valuable with age. Of all the fruits on this list, figs may have the deepest connection to human history. They've been cultivated for thousands of years across the Mediterranean and Middle East, nourishing generations long before nutrition science existed. Ancient cultures valued figs as a symbol of abundance, vitality, and strength. Today, researchers are discovering why this ancient fruit still deserves a place in a modern, longevity-focused diet. As we age, digestive health becomes increasingly important. The body often becomes less efficient at processing food, absorbing nutrients, and maintaining a healthy gut environment. Figs help address this challenge naturally because they are rich in fiber, one of the most important nutrients for digestive health. But their benefits don't stop there. Figs also provide minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium, nutrients involved in muscle function, nerve signaling, and overall health. They contain polyphenols as well, plant compounds that researchers study for their antioxidant activity and their role in protecting cells from oxidative stress. What makes figs unique is that they combine nourishment and practicality. A few fresh or dried figs can easily be added to breakfast, paired with yogurt, mixed with nuts, or enjoyed as a simple snack. In many ways, figs represent a forgotten lesson about healthy aging. The most valuable foods are not always the newest discoveries. Sometimes they're the foods that have survived thousands of years because generation after generation recognize their value. A fig tree can continue producing fruit for decades, and perhaps that's why figs are the perfect final fruit on this list. They remind us that aging well isn't about resisting time. It's about continuing to thrive as time moves forward. When you look back at these 7 fruits, a pattern begins to emerge. Kiwi supports your defenses. Papaya supports digestion. Pomegranate helps nourish your circulation. Blueberries support the brain. Avocado feeds your cells. Blackberries help protect against everyday wear and tear. And figs bring together many of the foundations of healthy aging. Different fruits, different compounds, different benefits, but they all support systems that become increasingly important as the years go by. That's the real secret. Healthy aging isn't about finding one miracle food. It's about consistently giving your body the tools it needs to adapt, repair, and remain resilient. And perhaps the most surprising part is that none of these fruits are hidden. They aren't rare. They aren't exclusive. They have been available all along. You simply may not have been looking at them through the lens of longevity. So now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these fruits do you already eat regularly, and which one surprised you the most? If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more science-backed discoveries about foods, plants, and habits that can help you stay stronger, healthier, and more energized for years to come. Because getting older is inevitable, but how well you age is something you can influence every single day.